Hello everybody. Alright, this new project I've got a monostable mode with a 555 timer. Okay, I will explain now the 55 timer. What is it? This is to show how long the capacitor holds the charge. Okay, so let's have a look at it. When I press a button, LED goes on and goes off quite immediately. See? Now I'm going to replace this one with a slightly bigger one in power. Then I press a button again and it stays longer. As you can see, I think 22 seconds in this case. Okay, it's gone off now. Let's try another one. All right, this also, they have a different capacitor value. For example, let's look at this one. (10 microfarad). The one that stayed less, shorter period, was 4.7 microfarad. Okay, and then the fastest one was 100 microfarad, stayed longest, because 100 microfarad hold more current. Sorry, I'm looking for the... Okay, there we are. Okay, in any case it's 100 microfarad. Okay, and as you can see, the 100 microfarad lasts longer. Obviously you got more. This is a trigger button which is connected, if you see here, to the trigger, pin number 2 of the 555 timer. Now the 555 timer, it's a IC, microchip. Let's see when this one finished. Yeah, this seems to hold quite a long time. So while this one is on, so practically where the notch is, it's the size where it works. The notch is on the top here. It's on your left always. So you work from your left. So pin number 1 goes to the ground. Pin number 8 goes to VCC. Okay, so it works like this: pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the last one on the top. Okay, yeah, this lasts long. It's going to flatten my battery. Okay, so practically charge and discharge happen between the capacitor and 470 ohm resistor. It's a 407 ohm resistor. Okay, so let's see again. short. This one is a little bit longer, but I suggest you try with all your capacitors. You can buy a box of capacitors, they're very cheap. And I use the electroless one. This is a very, you can see, doesn't hold much. And this is the one that holds the most, but it's quite big. The value is quite big. Yeah, this is, I think it's the, yeah, this is the 100 microfarad. Okay, so let's see again. So practically what we have this button, okay, which connect to the trigger pin. Pin number 2 is a trigger pin. Then you have the output, which goes to positive of the LED, which is grounded with a 330 ohm. Okay, so this will trigger the trigger pin. One third of the voltage. Once it reaches 1/3, it will trigger the current. Okay, so that's why it's called timer. It's timing. Each capacitor will have its timing set up by the resistance as well. Okay, and here there is on the pin number 5, there is a little ceramic capacitors that goes to ground. Okay, this is for electrical noise, and then the rest is all been checked. Okay, and the button, it's on ground, the ground button, and this is the VCC button, which goes to pin trigger 2, which trigger the process of on and off. And yeah, and it's grounded. It's on the VCC on the positive with a 10K ohm resistor. Okay, so as I said, you can experiment and change the capacitors at as you wish. Okay, so let's do one more time. On takes longer. Obviously, if you got a very long capacitor, it'll take much longer. But it's just to show that each circuit of the monostable mode can hold different type of power. Try again. This is good. It's good if you want to learn something about electricity. There is a lot of help online as well. Okay, this one lasts a bit longer. Okay, guys, I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Please give me a thumbs up.